NetScaler CPX versus VPX, comparing cloud deployment options. NetScaler CPX is a lightweight virtual appliance that is designed for cloud deployment. It is optimized for microservices and containerized apps. So, it is a great choice for modern cloud environments. NetScaler VPX, the full-featured virtual appliance. NetScaler VPX is a full-featured virtual appliance. It is for traditional cloud deployments. It has all of NetScaler's advanced features. These include powerful load balancing, traffic management, and security. NetScaler VPX is a virtual appliance. It provides advanced app delivery and load balancing in virtualized environments. It is a software solution. It has the same features as the physical NetScaler appliances. Cloud deployment options. Cloud deployment options let businesses choose how to manage, store, and access data and apps. This is based on their specific needs. The most common options include public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud services, like AWS and Azure, are managed by third parties. They are available to multiple organizations over the internet. They offer cost-effectiveness and scalability. A private cloud is dedicated to a single organization. It offers more control and security over the data. This option is often preferred by businesses with strict regulations or sensitive data. Conclusion. In conclusion, when comparing NetScaler CPX versus VPX for cloud deployment, it all comes down to your specific needs and requirements.